Hello, and welcome to this core technology software tutorial, where we will be learning how to capture a GCMS using the ei-tof-ms acquisition software. We use the term GCMS to cover all continuous acquisition of time-variant data. This may be the output of a gas chromatograph or any other continuously varying analyte stream. To perform a GCMS acquisition, you must select the GCMS Acquire workbook at the bottom of the page. You will notice that this workbook has a black background to distinguish it from the Spectrum acquisition page. As with the Spectrum page, though, the large green buttons provide access to settings and data processing options, and the large purple buttons launch data acquisition routines. Click the Acquire Options button to set the options that are specific to collecting GCMS data. The existing Spectrum options are displayed for information as they are still used in this acquisition, but they can only be changed from the Spectrum workbook page. You can set the total duration of the experiment and granularity of the data displayed. For demonstration purposes, we will perform a 20-second experiment. Similarly to a Spectrum acquisition, you can specify a file name and memo using the same method. Ticking the Auto Increment File Name checkbox allows the software to automatically rename future acquisitions to unique file names with an increasing numerical suffix. To start the GCMS acquisition, you just need to press the Acquire GCMS button. A control window and status window will open as with a Spectrum collection. The status window shows the cycle counter and total counts being recorded. Traces showing the total number of counts in each active region of interest update periodically during the acquisition. When the acquisition is finished, you will have multiple traces on a logarithmic scale, with a legend identifying each trace. Similarly to the Spectrum workbook, you can close any open GCMS acquisition by clicking the Close File button. If you wish to open an historic GCMS acquisition, click the Load Chromatograms from List File button. GCMS acquisitions are stored as a .lst or list file. Select the one that you wish to load and press Open. Depending on the size of the file, this can take a little while to load. Please be patient and wait for the program to finish processing the data. Thanks for watching this core technology tutorial video.